No, it is the issue. But narrative they try to create to try to basically garner votes in the name of casino. That's what they failed. Maybe one seat they have won in the ultimate seat. That narrative basically caught up there.
आणि कशें कितें तुमकां ह्या वर्सा आमी पळयता की ह्या वर्सा तुमकां खुबश्यो बऱ्यो गजाली तुमकां तुमच्या आयुश्यान जायत आहा सो कशा तरेन हे वर्स पळयता तुमी इवन अबाउट इलेक्शन ऑर अबाउट लॉंग पेंडिंग केस ऑल्सो
So no, most important thing is basic and knowledge is a part of the process, which basically takes time and it will carry on. But most important thing is I am thankful to our party, to Bharatiya Janata Party, because they have given me they allowed me to lead the panel, and I have not let them down. I am thankful to Honorable Chief Minister and the party president, Mr. Damunai, for having faith in me. And for helping and their Karyakarta basically helped us throughout day and night basically to achieve this.
तुम्ही एक्सपेरिमेंट केलो हे फावटी आमी पयलें की सिटींग कावन्सिलर आशिल्ले खुबशे तुमी घेवना न्यू फेसीस दिवपाक ट्राय केलो तरी पूण तुमी ते निवडून हाडले आमी पयले न्यू फेसीस
थोडे कावन्सिलर कित्याक मातशे जून जातात थोडे जालेले आनी थोडे चिंतलेले दॅट इज देयर फ्रिडम हो म्हाजो वॉर्ड हांवें पयलें आयकलें हे झगडटाले दुसरे कावन्सिलर तूं म्हाज्या वॉर्डान तो येयलो पूण हांव तुज्या वॉर्डान येयलो So I am the MLA of Pengu. My wife is the MLA. 100 people come and dance in my constituency, and if you are helping people, you are please welcome. You come and do good to the people. I have got no issue. I will never stop anyone. So these people, some people, whatever they feel, what is happening, they like that. What that work? It should not happen. You should be down to it. It clearly shows what is it.
बाबूश कशें सेमी फायनल तुमच्या खातीर जर असेंब्ली इलेक्शन
ही सेमी फायनल म्हणटालो म्हाका ही फायनल आसली आय क्लियरली टोल्ड माय पीपल बाबा दिस इज द फायनल दिस विल बेसिकली सेट द नॅरेटिव्ह फॉर आवर फायनल but this is the final one. Finally basically see these people all try to come together to show as one thing. So that means first of all I felt it good that they all came together. So I know who was the enemy. Enemy was not a party. The enemy was Babu. Because if you see in the panels also, I was just looking. That's why the opposition panel, they are only talking about me and my family. Nothing to do with Penjim, nothing to do with Taliban. See, it is a wrong thing that people try to say. Family right, family right. Baba, we have not been nominated, we have been elected. We go to the people. We go to the people and then people elect. Because as far as the general election is concerned, they have got basically a chance to pick any other candidate also. But why they pick out? There must be something that people accept.
कशें आसा रोहित तुमचो भुरगो म्हणून ताका प्रिविलेज आसा काय ताणें काम केलां हेजो तुमी आमदार कोण घेवचो
चौकेलींनी काम केलां आपणाच्या मोडान. It is nothing. There was no difference. I didn't treat Rohit with kid gloves and others. I showed any difference. You can ask any of my colleagues whether I showed any differentiated. I didn't even go to basic his ward to them. And I hardly went to anyone. I only told our candidates, wherever you feel that there is a problem for you, that is a place to call me. That is it.
म्हणजे पणजेच्या ते कमी मार्जिना म्हणजे तेंच्यांनी स्टडी
स्टडी करपाचो विचार it is not
कमी मार्जिन
this is basically just a lesson for us. Lesson so that we need to work. There is never an end to working. I always believe the biggest room in your house is the room for improvement. So we got to improve. We are not saying we are also human beings. I am not saying I am perfect, but we need to improve. We need to see why some people basically didn't vote for it. We need to see. I am a fellow who will basically take everyone along with me. I am never once election is over. Then we are all together. Ultimately, rivalry is there only as far as election is concerned. There is no personal rivalry among them. But there are some leaders from their side who takes basically a personal rivalry. I have never this way.
बाबा तुम्ही ते दीस इलेक्शना दिसा सांगले की आपूण कितें ते रिजल्टा मागीर उलयतलो मेजर कितें दिसता तुमकां की कशा तरेन
No, no, I am little disappointed that I lost the 3 seats because I was focused and I was sure that we would win all 30. So I cannot say anything more than that. Now
बट
result is
कितें
out.
कमी पडलेशें दिसता तुमकां ह्या 3 सीट
No, for me, but there must be difference. See, first and all, I can give you one example as far as this seat number 7 is concerned. Sanjeev Desai. He was new to politics. I guess he could not grasp that this is in short span of time. Then, as far as Eddie George is concerned, I think that casino is some medical not so that is the reason it went slightly off. And as far as the third seat in Vivandar, that I don't know. Something but to tell you fairly, I did not go around anyway. Except I said there are the candidates felt that I am leading those places I have visited. So it was.
विरोधकांनी फॅमिली राज्याचो एक हे
अरे बाबा मुद्दो घेता हांव तुका एकूच सांगता न्हू फॅमिली राज म्हणजे कितें वी आर नॉट नॉमिनेटेड एक कितें राज्यसभा सीट we go to the people and we get ourselves elected. It may tomorrow my son may make someone else also make us. Everyone is free to contest an election. No. Who basically can stop my son or whoever it is from contesting just because I am in politics. In 2002 when I came into politics, I didn't have any godfather.
म्हणून त्यांची फॅमिली राजा एकटेकूच निवडून आणलो अशें म्हणपाचें
No. I don't look at it in that way. Some people, what happens, they feel I am bigger than the people. So those people you are brought down. Baba, you come and sit here first. Okay, then you fly. Simple as that.
ओके थँक्यू